got a little bit of cough. It's actually kennel cough is what the vet diagnosed it as. We took her in today. You'll hear a pretty deep cough depending on how big your dog is. You might see some phlegm or some crud get kind of regurgitated from the cough. Here's a little bit of the white mucus that you might see. It's alright, buddy. From the cough. Probably want to clean it up as quickly as you can and then disinfect that particular area here. You're alright, baby Daisy. It's okay, baby. It's okay. I got some Medi for you, okay? Get out of her face, Bobo.